This is a reworked version of the Anima workflow I provided in my ComfyUI installation tutorial. I've made numerous changes and additions to the workflow now, and the quality of the images should be significantly better, as you could infer from the showcase hopefully. So the workflow has been split into 3 passes. The first pass is a base image generation. This is where the image is created from scratch, and it's where I've made the speed optimizations and added the power LoRA Loader node. The second and third passes are where the real quality jump happens, but we'll get to that in a bit. Focusing on the first pass, you notice 2 new nodes, the Anima Layer Replay Patcher and the power LoRA Loader. The Replay Patcher does 2 things. First, it replays a selected internal block during the denoising process, which improves fine detail and the overall coherence in the output. Second, it has an optional spectrum node built in, which is where the speed gain comes from. In my test, that's roughly 20 to 25%. However, the author of the node claims 30 to 35%, so I'm guessing it's just a hardware difference. The settings are already configured to what the node author recommends, so you don't need to touch anything there. The power LoRA Loader node lets you stack multiple LoRAs at different strengths in one clean node instead of daisy chaining up a bunch of single LoRA Loader nodes and ending up with a spaghetti mess of connections. That covers everything new in the first pass of the workflow. The second pass is very simple actually. All it does is take the image from the first pass, re-encode it, and run it through the sampler again at a low denoise of 0.35. The low denoise means it is not regenerating the image from scratch, it's just refining what's already there, adding detail, cleaning up small issues like hands, etc. I tested a range of values, and anything below 0.3 was too subtle to make a difference, and anything above 0.4 started changing the image too much, so 0.35 is the sweet spot. The third and final pass is the upscaler. I'm using 4:2 Anima Sharp, which pushes the image from around 1K all the way up to 5K resolution. The difference in clarity is pretty significant. Details that were soft in the original become sharp, textures get a lot more definition,